Meantime, some Alabama tax refunds are in the mail, but yours may not be. As Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dowles explains, some taxpayers are facing an indefinite wait for their refund.
Charles, are you from Mobile? Charles Cuff went to the local Alabama Revenue Office today to get his state tax forms. He's hoping this year's filing process will be as easy as last year's.
Last year, my refund came without any trouble.
Good.
Yeah.
And you're hoping for the same this year?
I hope so.
But some early filers who have been approved for a refund haven't received it. Instead, they're getting a message from the state that reads, refunds are issued from the Education Trust Fund as the fund balance allows. So just what does that mean?
The pace of the individual income tax being issued depends on the pace of the tax collections coming in to the state fund, the Education Trust Fund. And in addition to paying refunds, the Education Trust Fund also has other payment obligations that it must meet as well.
Public Relations spokesperson Carla Snellgrove says $55 million in refund checks were sent out today.
About 138,844 refund checks went out through direct deposits. This means the checks were direct deposited into the taxpayers' accounts, and these should be available to taxpayers by Friday.
Snellgrove says other checks will follow as the money comes into the trust fund from property tax collections around the state. But there's no estimate on how long you may have to wait.
In good economic times, there's a very quick turnaround time on getting tax refunds to taxpayers. But dealing with the current economic conditions that we're dealing with again this year and that we dealt with last year, it does slow the refund issuance process.
But the state promises if you're owed a refund, you will get it eventually. In Mobile, I'm Renee Dowles, Fox 10 News.
Nearly 400,000 Alabama refunds have been approved so far this year.